Yo, what's up guys, Carlos. Today I'm gonna be installing a quick release on the Skyline. It's from NRG. I'm just gonna like record myself doing that, probably like with a little bit of instructions or something, in case some of you guys are thinking of getting like a quick release from NRG. So I got the quick release, and I also got like the lock for when you take the steering wheel off and you're not gonna drive anymore. Put the lock on there, and then I guess you can't put another steering wheel on the car. So yeah, I'm just gonna record that and just hope you guys learn something. All right guys, so I'm gonna open this up, and so this is the quick release that I got. So I think it's like the 3rd generation or something like that. I think the 3.0 or the 4.0, I can't remember. I ordered it a little while back, but so this is the one that I got. So in the box you got like all the tools that come with everything you're gonna need for your horn to work and everything, like instructions, whatever, you know, all that stuff. So I guess the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off my steering wheel. So I already have an aftermarket steering wheel, so it doesn't have the stock one anymore, but it'll still be helpful if you figure out how to do it on the stock steering wheels or whatever. So yeah, let's take this off. Comes with an Allen key, so. Alright guys, so now you got the steering wheel off, and then you got like this open right here. This is pretty much where the quick release, like the back part of it, is gonna go. So it's gonna go on mounted right here. Alright guys, so now you're gonna get your quick release. So I was also gonna mention that my horn isn't gonna work right now, because I do know that I think you have to change this out to make it like one of these or something like that, so you can connect it to like the horn so that it works. And I'm just gonna have to do that another time, but so yeah, that my horn's not gonna work anyways. So what you're gonna do now is you just take off your quick release, and then this is the part that's gonna go like on here. So and then also if you got these kinds of bolts right here, like these ones, it's not gonna let if you're gonna buy the lock, it's not gonna let your lock, it doesn't let it go down all the way, because it has like a little gap right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it won't go in all the way, so you can't lock it. So what I did was I went to go buy different bolts, which I have right here actually. So you just got to get like the ones that are rounded at the top, like this, and this will work. Alright guys, so now you got this on. These are actually supposed to be like Allen heads, but I wasn't able to find any, so I just bought like the Phillip heads ones. So now you just got to tighten those up. Like you're gonna want to like align everything so it looks good up here and everything like that. You see that? So yeah, let me tighten this up really quick. Cool, so now you got this tight. Now you could actually like see how this is gonna look on there. So we're just gonna like see, there it is. Now you got that on, so now you just got to mount your steering wheel to this thing. So let's take it off and let's do that part now. All right guys, so for this part you're actually gonna get these ones that come with the they come with this kit, so you put the steering wheel onto this thing right here. So just make sure that you have it like straight, so that when you put it over there, it's the way it's supposed to be. So let's get into that. And it's pretty much, you're just gonna put that on here. You're just gonna put your steering wheel over it. Just make sure that everything looks good, and put these little bolts in there. Cool, so now you're just going to take your Allen key and you're just going to tighten them down. Cool, so now you got your steering wheel on the quick release. See that? So now you could go and put that on your car now. And so yeah, let's go see how that works. Alright guys, so now we have the steering wheel mounted onto the quick release. So now you pretty much just ready to just kind of throw it on there. You kind of just go like this and see it's on there. And let me turn the car on so you guys can see that, how it's like it stays on there good, you know, like you see that. You're done driving, you pretty much just press the little button that it has back here. You just press it, pull back, comes off, easy like that. So now you just take your steering wheel with you. All right, so now I'm going to show you if you choose to buy the lock from NRG. So the lock looks like this. It's just a circle, but this thing, it goes on here same way. And that's what I was telling you guys about the bolts. You're gonna want to get some like the ones that I put on here, because if you got them like these ones that have that little thing at the bottom, they're not gonna let it sit on there like the way it should, and it's just not gonna work. I tried it and it just didn't work. So this comes with 2 keys for you to lock and unlock. So I think you should make sure you don't lose that, because they're kind of weird keys. See, they're like got these little circles or some shit. So you're gonna unlock your lock. So now I like twist this. See that? It's locked, unlocked. So you're gonna want it to be unlocked, and it has a thing for you to, so you know where the top goes. So you're gonna put it like this. You're gonna make sure it sits on there. Alright guys, so you gotta forget about what I said about those Phillips heads. So I actually messed up, so I just had to do a little run to Ace Hardware right now, because the lock, it won't go on unless you have this kind of like bolts. So I did go and get the Allen ones, the Allen head ones. So you just need to find the size that it's for the steering wheel, whatever, you know. But this one will work. I already tried it, but so I already took off the other ones, so now we just got to put these on, because the lock, it wouldn't go down all the way, so I couldn't lock it. So it would get stuck like right here. So then this thing, it doesn't go down. See, like it needs to go all the way for it to lock. So yeah, anyways, get the lock, you're going to want it to be at the unlock. So you're going to want it like this. See how it says top up there? So you put it on there. You see how back here it's sitting like, looks flush right there. So now you're just going to go like this. You push down on this and it's locked. See, now nobody could put anything on there. See? So now with the key, you put the key in here. It's got this weird key, you see. Anyways, you put the key in here, you just kind of go up there, take it out, comes out. Alright guys, so that was it. I got the quick release on, so it looks good now. I hope you guys, if you guys were trying to learn how to put one on, I hope you guys learned. I will be getting more stuff in this week, so hopefully we'll have some cool content. But here's the Skyline. I haven't really showed you guys, but this is how it looks. Got that cool little plate on there. It's a GTST, by the way, but yeah, it looks sick. Anyways, thanks for watching, and just give a like and subscribe, and we'll keep uploading stuff. Peace.